Isn't that not the cutest wee face you've ever seen? Show everyone your lovely wee face. He's only out of the shower, all lovely and clean. Yeah?
I don't even know.
Where's your big brother? Do you want to go and get dried? Do you? Look. Get a kiss. Do you want Bibo to get a shower now? Bibo got a shower yesterday, he got all bathed. Do you want to come in now? Come. Hear that bird talking to that bird? Dog. We're going to go in and get him all dried. Don't get him in somewhere warm. Always let your bird dry naturally. Don't ever blow it with a hairdryer. You can, but what happens is it takes the oils out of their wings. A wee quick thingy, wee warm room. That's all they need. Look at that wee feet. He's not amused. He's probably saying, "Ma, get me out of this quilt." Do you want out? Right, don't get him out.